How to fix Fire TV stick stuck on logo. Hey everyone! In this video, we'll learn how to troubleshoot your Amazon Fire TV stick if it's stuck on the logo screen. Step 1. Wait it out. Sometimes, especially after an update, the Fire Stick might take a little longer to boot. Give it up to 25 to 30 minutes to see if it eventually starts. Step 2. Force restart. Unplug your Fire Stick from the power outlet and also from the HDMI port on your TV. Wait for about a minute, then plug the power back in first, followed by the HDMI. Step 3. Use original accessories. Ensure you are using the power adapter and cable that came with your Fire Stick. Avoid using USB ports on the TV for power, as they might not provide enough. Step 4. Try a different HDMI port. Connect your Fire Stick to a different HDMI port on your TV. Step 5. Check HDMI cable. Try using a different, high-speed HDMI cable to rule out a faulty cable. Step 6. Connect directly to TV. If you're using an HDMI adapter, extender, or hub, try plugging the Fire Stick directly into the TV. Step 7. Check TV compatibility. Make sure your TV is HDCP compliant. Check your TV's manual for this information. Step 8. Try a different TV. If possible, try using your Fire Stick on a different TV to see if the issue lies with the Fire Stick or the original TV. Step 9. Factory reset. Unplug the Fire Stick from power. Press and hold the back button and the right side of the navigation circle simultaneously. While holding these buttons, plug the Fire Stick back into the power. Continue holding for about 10 seconds until the reset menu appears. If it does, follow the on-screen instructions. Step 10. Contact Amazon support. If none of these steps work, there might be a hardware issue with your Fire Stick. Contact Amazon customer support for further assistance. Thanks for watching.